Do you want to stand out from the competition and capture more leads? Our 10 splash page template bundle is the perfect solution for that. Let me show you a little bit what we are talking about. With these templates, you can quickly and easily create stunning splash pages that convert visitors into customers, and I will show you in a minute how to import them in a few clicks and customize them for your needs. You can customize these templates to match your brand and offer with just few clicks, boost your click-through rates, and drive more traffic to your offers. You can increase sales and earnings by capturing more leads. And on top of that, you can use these templates on traffic exchanges, safe lists, and mailers to maximize your reach without worrying about frame breakers. So let's take a look at what is offered in this bundle. Let's say, for example, the page number 1 here, and if I want to see it on real life, let's click demo here, and this is exactly how it looks like. Complete 100% set and forget free traffic systems. Only 3 steps to get your traffic started. There is a countdown here and a call to action. Get your unique safe list traffic now. So there are exactly 10 awesome splash pages just like these, as you can see here, and all you have to do to use them is copy one share code per page and paste it into your Leadsleap account and start using them. Let me tell you about additional benefits. These templates are designed to be highly effective and user-friendly. With just few clicks, you can import them into your Leadsleap account and customize them to your liking. Plus, these templates are fully optimized for mobile devices, so your visitors will have a great experience no matter where they access your splash page. Let's take a look at another one. Just say, for example, number 6. I will click on it, and here is exactly what it will look like in the real life and also on your Leadsleap account. When you grab this offer, you will be taken to the thank you page where you can see this same video here where we will show you how to import them and use them, and you will get also all the share codes for the 10 pages right here, plus a good bonus. Now let's take a look on how to import them and use them on your Leadsleap account. Here I am on a Leadsleap account, and of course, if you need to import one of those pages, you need to head to the menu that says Page Manager here on the left side, and then click on this button here to create a campaign page, and you give it a name. Let's call it, for example, page 6, and then you click Add Now. And to import the design of that page, of course, you need to click on this button, Add New Page Design, and then you paste the share code for that specific page in this spot here and click Import now. This is exactly what I just did, and as you can see, I have a page already imported, and if I want to test it, I click on the link of that page, and as you can see, I have exactly the same copy of that page. Now, if you want to customize it, like for example, change the wording or place your affiliate link for a certain offer on this green button here, you have to open the editor. Click on this button, launch editor, and after that, you will be, of course, it will be very easy for you to change everything on the page. The wording, you can click on an object and then change it on the right side here. Same thing for the subheadline, and same thing for the link where goes this call to action button. Find out more. You want to place your affiliate link right here and save the changes. So this is exactly how to do it. If you want to use these pages on traffic exchanges and mailers and safe lists, it will be awesome because they pass the frame breaker. But wait, there is more. I am including one more splash page. This page number 10 will allow you actually to promote this very offer and earn up to $370 per sale. Let's take a look at this page here. If I click on it, this is exactly what it looks like. Capture more leads, drive more sales, 10 customizable splash page templates, countdown, limited time offer, and this is a call to action. Import them instantly. This button here will have your affiliate link for this very offer. Let me show you the affiliate page for the offer. You can earn 100% on the front end, second product 100%, third product product, 100%, and many 50% commissions on this offer. So there is money to be made promoting this same offer. So whether you want to use these pages for yourself to promote your businesses or you want to promote this offer, please click on the link below this video, grab the offer, and there is actually money to be made here. I prepared some promotion tools for you, and you will be making 100% on the 3 first front end offers and then 50% commissions. When you buy this product, you will be taken to this page here where you will watch the video to see how to use them, and also you'll get all the share codes where all these X's are. There will be share codes that you can use to import the pages to your Leadsleap account. And of course, if you want to go to the tools to promote this offer, you click on this button here and you will be brought to this page where you can use these banners and these emails to promote the offer. And if you want to become a reseller and earn 100% on all the funnel, you just click here and you can grab this offer that will allow you to earn up to $710 per sale. So here is exactly what you will get with this offer: 10 professionally designed templates, one-click import, full customization options, mobile-friendly design, high-quality graphics and layouts, and clear and compelling call to actions that you can attach to your affiliate links to make affiliate commissions. And on top of that, you are able to make good money promoting this offer, 100% on the 3 first front end offers. So if you have any questions, please leave them below this video or contact me below this video, and I'll be happy to help you out, and I will see you on the next one.